Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy to see you here with me today. In this lesson, we're going to practice English with a technique called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to me and then you repeat what I say. You copy my pronunciation, my tone, and my rhythm. It's almost like you are my shadow. This method is one of the fastest ways to improve your English speaking, listening, and confidence. And today, we're going to practice with a fun and useful story about travel. The story is about Sarah, a young woman who is traveling to the United States for the very first time. Along the way, she faces some little problems, but also learns important lessons. I'll read the story slowly, and I'll give you time to repeat after me. Don't worry about being perfect. Remember, practice makes progress. All right, let's begin Sarah's journey. Part 1. At the airport. Sarah is at the airport and she feels very excited. She says, I am at the airport right now, and I feel so excited. Let's repeat that together. I am at the airport right now, and I feel so excited. Again, I am at the airport right now, and I feel so excited. One more time. I am at the airport right now, and I feel so excited. Great job. She continues, Today is the day I am flying to New York City for the first time. Repeat after me. Today is the day I am flying to New York City for the first time. Again, today is the day I am flying to New York City for the first time. And once more, today is the day I am flying to New York City for the first time. Excellent. Sarah says, I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. Repeat after me. I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. Again, I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. And one more time. I have my ticket, my passport, and my bags. Everything is ready. Let's review vocabulary here. A ticket is your pass to travel. A passport is your official travel document, and bags are your luggage or suitcases. Repeat with me. Ticket, passport, bags. Once more. Ticket, passport, bags. Great. Part 2. The check-in desk. Sarah goes to the check-in desk. She gives her ticket to the lady. The lady smiles and says, Here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 17A. Have a good flight. Repeat after me. Here's your boarding pass. You are in seat 17A. Have a good flight. Again, here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 17A. Have a good flight. One more time. Here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 17A. Have a good flight. Sarah is happy. She says, Thank you. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. Repeat after me. Thank you. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. Again, thank you. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. One last time. Thank you. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out of the window when I fly. Vocabulary time. A boarding pass is the card or digital pass you need to enter the plane. A window seat is a seat by the window, And the phrase have a good flight is a polite way to wish someone safe travels. Repeat after me. Boarding pass. Window seat. Have a good flight. One more time. Boarding pass. Window seat. Have a good flight. Part 3. Security and boarding. Now Sarah goes through security. The line is very long, but finally she gets through. She walks to gate 23 and waits. After some time, she hears the announcement. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. Please line up by group number. Repeat after me. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. Please line up by group number. Again. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. Please line up by group number. And one more time. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. Please line up by group number. Sarah feels her heart beating fast. She says, "My heart races." This is it. Repeat after me. My heart races. This is it. Again. My heart races. This is it. One more time. My heart races. This is it. Part 4. The seat confusion. Sarah gets on the plane. She walks down the aisle looking for her seat, 17A. But when she gets there, she sees a man in a blue jacket already sitting there. She feels nervous but says politely, "Excuse me, sir. This is my seat." Repeat after me. Excuse me, sir. This is my seat. Again, excuse me, sir. This is my seat. One last time. Excuse me, sir. This is my seat. The man looks at her and says, "Oh, really? Let me check my ticket." Repeat. "Oh, really? Let me check my ticket." Again. "Oh, really? Let me check my ticket." One more time. "Oh, really? Let me check my ticket." He checks his ticket and says, "My ticket says 17A. I think this is my seat." Repeat after me. My ticket says 17A. I think this is my seat. Again. My ticket says 17A. I think this is my seat. And one more time. My ticket says 17A. I think this is my seat. Now Sarah takes out her own ticket and says, "See? My ticket says 17A. Repeat after me. See? My ticket says 17A. Again. See? My ticket says 17A. And one last time. See? My ticket says 17A. The flight attendant arrives. She looks at both tickets and says, "Actually, your seat is 17C, the aisle seat." Repeat after me. Actually, your seat is 17C, the aisle seat. Again. Actually, your seat is 17C, the aisle seat. And once more. Actually, your seat is 17C, the aisle seat. Sarah feels embarrassed. She says, "I'm so sorry." You were right all along. Repeat after me. I am so sorry. You were right all along. Again. I am so sorry. You were right all along. One more time. I'm so sorry. You were right all along. The man smiles kindly and replies, "Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen." Repeat after me. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. Again. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. One more time. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. Part 5, the lesson. So what do we learn from Sarah's story? First, always double-check your ticket. Second, mistakes are normal. And third, kindness makes a big difference. Repeat after me. Always double-check your ticket. Mistakes are normal. Kindness makes a difference. Again, always double-check your ticket. Mistakes are normal. Kindness makes a difference. One more time. Always double-check your ticket. Mistakes are normal. Kindness makes a difference. Part 6, extended practice. Now let's do some role play practice. Imagine you are Sarah and I am the flight attendant. I will say my lines and then you repeat Sarah's response. I say, "Excuse me, may I see your boarding pass?" You say, "Here is my boarding pass." Very good. Again, "Here is my boarding pass." One more time. "Here is my boarding pass." I say, "Your seat is 17C, the aisle seat." You say, "Oh, I am so sorry." Thank you. Again. "Oh, I am so sorry." Thank you. And once more. "Oh, I am so sorry." Thank you. Now let's switch. You be the flight attendant and I'll be Sarah. Ready? You say, "Excuse me, may I see your boarding pass?" And I'll reply, "Here's my boarding pass." You say, "Your seat is 17C, the aisle seat." I'll reply, "Oh, I am so sorry." Thank you. Great job. Part 7, extra vocabulary and expressions. Let's learn some extra travel vocabulary. Repeat after me. Aisle seat, middle seat, window seat, boarding gate, security check, customs officer, baggage claim. Very good. Let's do that again slowly. Aisle seat, middle seat, window seat, boarding gate, security check, customs officer, baggage claim. Now let's practice polite phrases. Repeat. Excuse me, where is gate 23? Again. Excuse me, where is gate 23? Another one. Could you please help me? Repeat. Could you please help me? Again. Could you please help me? One more. Thank you so much. Repeat. Thank you so much. Excellent. Closing. You did amazing today. You practiced listening, speaking, and shadowing with a complete story about travel. You repeated sentences many times. You learned new vocabulary, and you practiced real-life conversations. Remember the key phrases from today's lesson. Excuse me, this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. Have a good flight. Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. These are phrases you can use in real life, especially when traveling. Most importantly, remember the lesson. Making mistakes is normal. Being kind makes a difference. And every time you practice, you get a little better. Thank you so much for joining me today on Voice of English. If you enjoyed this practice, listen to it again tomorrow and shadow with me as many times as you like. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy your journey with English. Bye for now.